Now that you're not allowed to go out and do anything but stay at home and do math all night, how's the mostly memorizing of the formulas going? Good?
You mean the one you gave us last class?
Yeah.
Like,
Like in this question, it's a solved question, but in this question, would you have gone, oh, cos plus sine? That's one of my formulas. Is it mostly memorized to that point yet? And then recognizing it as one of the formulas, you would say, okay, if this is my alpha and this is my beta and this is my alpha and this is my beta, then this side here is cos alpha minus beta. Now, I'm not sure if that's going to help us. This is one of the things in a solving equation that sometimes you have to say, I recognize something, maybe that will help me. So I recognize that that was my sum and difference formula. I changed it and said maybe that would help me. So I get to this stage. I look at it some more. I'm like, oh, I have some like terms. 4x minus x, I could do something with that. That gives me cos of 3x. Then, after I've simplified, now I have to reassess. Have we ever had questions like this before? Yes. What did we call them? Multi-revolution question. So it was, we did something in the beginning, now it's a multi-revolution question. So we have to go, okay, how do I solve a multi-revolution question? First, I check my domain and make my domain for 3x. So my domain was between 0 and 2 pi. That means 3x will be between 0 and 6 pi. Notice there's no equal sign on that one. So there's no equal sign on this one. How do we solve a multi-revolution question? Well, we solve for 3x first. And when is cos equal to 1 on your unit circle? 0 and 2 pi. That's the first time around. We got to go 3 times around. Second time around would be 2 pi and 4 pi. Third time around would be 4 pi and 6 pi, but 6 pi is not included. So we have 0, 2 pi, and 4 pi. Then to solve for x, divide each of those answers by 3. And we're done. Okay, so try questions 15 and 17. Well, that's kind of interesting. I had opened this website yesterday. Yesterday in the morning, there was 185,000 cases in the world. There's 20,000 more cases since yesterday morning.